Today we will learn about the compound ammonia. Ammonia is a compound of nitrogen and hydrogen with the formula NH3. Joseph Priestley first obtained ammonia by heating a mixture of calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime, and ammonium chloride, that is sal ammonia. He called the gas as alkaline air since it was found to be basic. In this chapter, we will learn occurrence, preparation, properties, tests and uses of ammonia. Ammonia occurs in the free and chemically combined state. In the combined state, ammonia occurs as ammonium salts. Ammonia can be prepared in the laboratory by treating ammonium salts with alkali. Dry ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide ratio 1:2 by weight is heated in a round bottom flask. You can see in the diagram, round bottom flask is inclined. The flask is kept in an inclined position so that the water vapor formed may not trickle back into hot flask and cause it to crack. Reaction involved. When ammonium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide, it gives calcium chloride, water and ammonia gas. Points to note. Ammonium nitrate is not used as a reactant since it is explosive and decomposes on heating, forming nitrous oxide and water vapors. A higher ratio by weight of alkali is used to counteract the loss of ammonium chloride due to sublimation, because ammonium chloride is a sublimable salt. Calcium hydroxide is used because it is cheap and it is not deliquescent like sodium and potassium hydroxide. Drying of the gas. Ammonia gas is passed through a tower packed with quicklime, that is calcium oxide, which acts as a drying agent. Reason: calcium oxide is basic in nature and does not react with basic ammonia gas. Drying agents not used are concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide and fused calcium chloride because they react chemically with ammonia. Please study and note down the following reactions in your classwork book. How ammonia reacts with the drying agents concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide and calcium chloride. Collection of the gas. Dry ammonia is collected by the downward displacement of air because it is lighter than air. Vapor density of ammonia is 8.5 and vapor density of air is 14.4. Ammonia gas is not collected over water since it is highly soluble in water. 1 volume of water dissolves about 702 volumes at 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. Second method of preparation of ammonia in the lab from metal nitride. It involves 2 steps. Step 1. Formation of metal nitrides. Burning metal plus nitrogen gives metal nitride. Metals like magnesium, calcium, aluminium, when burnt in nitrogen gas, form the respective metal nitrides as the product. Step 2. Formation of ammonia from metal nitride by reaction with warm water. Magnesium nitride is placed in the dry flask and warm water is allowed to trickle down through Thiessen funnel. The corresponding metal hydroxide is precipitated out and ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of air. Note down the following reactions in your classwork book. When warm water is added to the magnesium nitride, it undergoes hydrolysis and decomposes to give ammonia gas. This method is seldom used to prepare ammonia gas because nitrides are expensive. The following questions are based on the preparation of ammonia gas in the laboratory. Explain why ammonium nitrate is not used in the preparation of ammonia. Name the compound used as a drying agent during the process. State the method used with reason for drying and collecting ammonia gas. Give reason. Concentrated sulfuric acid is not used for drying ammonia gas. Explain why it is not collected over water. What is the vapor density and nature of ammonia? Give the name of a hydride of nitrogen. Give balanced chemical equation. Action of warm water on magnesium nitride. Please write answers in your classwork notebook. Hope this presentation is of some use to you. Looking forward to connect with you in the next presentation. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.